The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved a life-saving opioid antidote for over-the-counter. Eyewitness News 3 Seth Ratliff has reaction from a local health department.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved the over-the-counter sales of the leading opioid antidote, Narcan. According to the National Institute on Drug Abuse, more than 100,000 people died of drug-related overdoses in 2021 alone. Experts at Eastern Idaho Public Health say drugs like Narcan can save lives when first responders can't make it in time.
So Narcan is a medication that's used to temporarily reverse opioid overdoses. Intranasal naloxone works through the mucous membranes. So it goes through the mucous membranes, it attaches to the opioid receptors in our brain. It actually has a stronger connection to the opioid receptors in our brain than the opioids do, and it temporarily pushes them off. And so naloxone's effective for about 30 to 60 minutes.
The FDA approval would make Narcan available at gas stations, grocery stores, or online. Narcan is already carried by police and first responders. While manufacturers haven't released the price of over-the-counter Narcan, organizations like the Idaho Harm Reduction Project make it available to the public for free. Johnson tells us over 2,500 Narcan kits were distributed throughout the state in 2022.
A lot of times those numbers have to be self-reported or they come from our EMS and law enforcement partners. But of those 25,000 naloxones that were distributed last year, over 1,200 reversals were reported in 2022. So that means that over 1,200 lives were saved by naloxone in 2022.
Although the drug is already available through these organizations, experts say providing it over the counter will give more people access to the life-saving drug without the stigma attached to it.
Studies actually show us that 1 out of 4 people who use a prescription opioid actually struggle with the opioid addiction or dependence. And so naloxone's there just to help. We want to reduce fatalities. We want to make sure that people are alive so that then if they choose to, they can go and seek treatment and seek recovery.
According to the FDA, the drug will be available over the counter late summer 2023. In Idaho Falls, I'm Seth Ratliff reporting.
If you'd like some more information on the Idaho Harm Reduction Project or how you can get Narcan rescue kits now, you can visit this story on our website at news3now.com.